Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Important Places. Okay, lesson number 7, Important Places. So what does this important places mean? See children, every place has a unique identity of its own. Okay, so every place has a unique identity of its own. So what do you mean by this unique? Unique means being the only one of its kind, unlike anything else. Okay, being the only one of its kind, unlike anything else. So I'll tell you an example. Garage. Okay, so garage is a unique place. So why this garage? See, a garage is a place where you can get your vehicle repaired, is it? So if your vehicle is repaired, where you will get it repaired? You cannot go to every places to get it repaired, right? You have to go to the garage only, right? So that your vehicle can get repaired. So garage, so like this. So this is one of the unique place, right? When your vehicle gets repaired, you have to go to the garage only. We cannot go to any other places to get our vehicle repaired, right? So like this we have many unique, every place has a unique identity. So like this, in this chapter we are going to learn some of the unique places. Okay, so along with writing the textbook exercise, I will explain you some of the unique places. Okay, identity of the unique places. Okay children? Okay children, now everyone open your Sparrow textbook in that page number 264. Okay, page number 264, lesson number 7, Important Places. Okay, lesson number 7, Important Places. Now we will start writing the exercises. So here, every place has a unique identity of its own. Identify the places from the clues given below. Okay, so there are some of the places they have given some of the clues. We have to identify the places. Okay, so we will start from the first question. A green area where water is found in the desert. Okay, so what is the desert? Means it's full of sand, right? There will be no water usually, but there is a space where we get water. So what do we call it as? It is oasis. Okay, so what is oasis? A oasis is a green area in the desert where we get water, usually having a spring or a well. Okay, so it is a fertile area in desert. So oasis is the answer. It is the fertile area in desert. Okay, so write the first answer, oasis. Okay, O-A-S-I-S, oasis. O-A-S-I-S. So a green area where water is found in the desert. Okay, so it is called as oasis. So we move on to the next question. The place where the pilot sits. So pilot in an aeroplane, the place where the pilot sits, it is called as cockpit. Okay, so what is the cockpit? Is the section where the pilot and the co-pilot manages the aircraft. Okay, manages the aircraft means they will fly the aircraft, right? So the function of the cockpit are to provide the pilot with a good angle. Okay, with a good, there should be a good angle, right, to fly the airplane. So the function of the cockpit is to provide the pilot, okay, provide the pilot a good angle and to make the all control mechanisms accessible to them. So the all control mechanisms should be accessible to them, right, to fly this airplane. So there is a place where the pilot and the co-pilot sits and manages the aeroplane to fly. So that place we call it as cockpit. Okay, so write the answer, cockpit. C-O-C-K-P-I-T. So cockpit. So the place place where the pilot and the co-pilot sits to manage the aeroplane to fly. We call the place as cockpit. Okay. Next we'll move on to the third question. So a place where vehicles are repaired or kept. Okay, so this I told you in the explanation also. This is a place, okay, where the vehicles are repaired and kept. So what is called as garage, right? So the third answer is garage. Okay. So a garage is a place where you can get your vehicles repaired. Okay. Garage. G-A-R-A-G-E. Garage. Okay. Next we'll move on to the fourth question. Coins are made in this place. Okay. So coins are made in this place. So this place we call it as mint. Okay. So the fourth answer is mint. So a mint is an industrial facility which manufactures coins, okay, that can be used as currency. Coins you all know, no currency. So the mint is a industrial facility which manufactures the coins, okay. So coins are made in this place. We call that place as mint, okay, M-I-N-T, mint, okay. Here the coins are manufactured that are used as currency, okay. Next we'll move on to the fifth question. What is this working place of a photograph or an artist? Okay, so what do we call this as the workplace of a photograph or an artist? We call this as studio, okay. The fifth answer is studio. So if you want to take a photograph, you all will go where? You will go to a studio, right? To take a photograph. So working place of a photograph or an artist, we call it as studio. A studio is a place where a painter, photographer or a designer works, okay. So it is called as studio. S-T-U-D-I-O, studio, okay. Next we'll move on to the sixth question. A place where rare old objects are kept for display. So this is the place where old objects are kept for the display. So what do we call this as? It is museum, okay. So the sixth answer is museum. M-U-S. Okay. M-U-S-E-U-M. Museum. So a museum is a building where a large number of interesting and valuable objects such as works of arts or historical items are kept, okay, studied and displayed to the public. So we can go to this museum to see all those things, the old objects, the historical objects which are kept there. They are studied and they are displayed to view, okay. So the public can go and see all those things, the old items. So all this we can see in the place called as museum, okay. M-U-S-E-U-M. Museum. So museum is a building where a large number of interesting or valuable, okay, objects such as works of art, okay, historical objects, all are kept and displayed for the public, okay. Next we'll move on to the seventh question. What is this? A room in a ship, okay. So the ship is very big, right? So there are many rooms, okay. All these things will be there. So a room in a ship, what do we call it as? We call it as a cabin, okay. So the seventh answer is cabin. C-A-B-I-N, cabin. Okay, a cabin is an enclosed space generally on a ship or an aircraft. Not only aircraft also. So a room in a ship, we call it as cabin. C-A-B-I-N. Cabin. Okay. Next we'll go on to the 8th question. A place where bread, biscuits are made. So we all love to eat the biscuits, bread, all these things, right? Where do we get all this from? Can we get all the bread and biscuits in all the shops, vegetable shops, fruit shops? No, no. So we'll go to a bakery, right? So the place where we get all these things, we call it as bakery. Okay. B-A-K-E-R-Y. Bakery. So a bakery is an establishment that provides and sells flour-based food baked in an oven. Okay, such as bread, cookies, cakes, pastries and pies. So we get all those things from the place called as bakery. Okay, B-A-K-E-R-Y. Bakery. Okay, next we move on to the 9th question. A place where plays are presented. Okay, so a place where plays are presented, we call it as a theater. Okay, 9th answer is theater. T-H-E-A-T-R-E. Theater. So a theater is a building with a stage in it. Okay, with a stage. So a theater will be having a stage on which plays, shows and other performance take place. Okay. Theater is entertainment that involves the performance of plays. So in a theater we will be having a stage, and on that stage plays like dance, stories, dramas, all those things will be performed. So it is a place, we call it as theater. T-H-E-A-T-R-E. Okay, a place where plays are presented. Okay. Next we'll move on to the last question. Small room where the food, tableware, kitchen items and similar items are kept. Okay, we call it as pantry. Okay, the 10th is pantry. P-A-N-T-R-Y. Pantry. So a pantry is a room where the food and sometimes dishes, household, cleaning chemicals or provisions are stored. Okay. So small room where the food, tableware, kitchen items and similar items are kept. So we call that place as pantry. Okay. P-A-N-T-R-Y. Pantry. Okay children, write all those things neatly in your textbook. So these are some of the places, unique identity of its own. I'll repeat once again from first. What is this? First question. A green area where water is found in the desert. We call it as oasis. So oasis is the place where we get water in the desert. Okay, so oasis. Next, second question. The place where the pilot sits. We call it as cockpit. So cockpit is the place where the pilot and the co-pilot sits and manages the aeroplane to fly. Okay. Next, third question. A place where vehicles are repaired and kept. So it is garage. Garage is the place where we can get our vehicles repaired. Okay. Next, fourth question. Coins are made in this place. So it is mint. So mint is the place where the coins are manufactured. Okay. That are used as currency. The fifth question. Working place of a photographer or an artist. So it is studio. So studio is the place where a photographer, a painter or a designer works. We call it as studio. S-T-U-D-I-O. Studio. Okay. Next, sixth question. A place where rare old objects are kept for display. We call it as museum. M-U-S-E-U-M. Museum. So museum is the place where we can find the old objects, historical objects which are displayed for the public to view. So we can go to this museum and we can see all the old objects, everything. Okay. So it is called as museum. Next question. A room in a ship. So a room in a ship, we call it as a cabin. Okay. C-A-B-I-N. So cabin is a room in a ship. Okay. Next we'll move to the eighth question. A place where bread, biscuits are made. So where we get this bread, biscuits, all those things, cookies, pies, pastries, cakes, everything. We will not get in all the places, right? So we should go to the bakery, right, to get all those things. So it is bakery. B-A-K-E-R-Y. So bakery is the place where bread, biscuits, cookies, cakes, pastries, all those things are made. Okay. Next, ninth question. A place where plays are presented. So it is theater. T-H-E-A-T-R-E. Theater is the place. It is a building with a stage on it. On that stage, the performances, the plays are presented. Okay. So it is a place, we call it as where the plays are presented. Okay. It is called as theater. T-H-E-A-T-R-E. Theater. Next, the last 10th question. Small room where the food, tableware, kitchen items and similar items are kept. We call it as pantry. P-A-N-T-R-Y. Pantry. So pantry is the place. It is a small room where food and the kitchen items, okay, tableware, all are and the similar items are kept. So these are some of the unique identity places. Okay. So in this chapter we have learned some of the unique identity of the places. Write neatly in your textbook. So here I am going to end the session. In the next session we will be with a new chapter. Okay. Thank you.